Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we had the weekly update for security for Google Chrome, which is the dominant browser right now, and of course its variant of the Chromium browsers that have the same flaws most of the time. So if you go into the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go into Help and About Google Chrome. You will be moved to version 144.0.7559.132 or 133, depending on the version you have. So what does this do? It fixes 2 high severity flaws. One is in the library VPX, and the other one, once again, a type confusion in V8, the scripting engine, which is almost every week and a security flaw of some sort. And the reason why this happens is simple, is because this is a major module. If you infect this and you're able to infect machines, this is where it all happens. So anyways, update your Google Chrome browser, and of course Edge, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on will also have this security, those 2 security flaws fixed within the week. So, of course, check for updates. Make sure you stay safe. This is the most important thing that keeps you safe. Anybody that tells you antivirus is number one, they don't know what they're talking about. Antivirus is not even in the top 10 when security researchers talk about what keeps you safe. Your behavior and updating all your software is way more important. So check it out, and hope that you stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.